Are you ready for a culinary adventure that will awaken your senses and make you fall in love with Italy like never before? Imagine strolling through cobblestone alleys surrounded by ancient stone walls, while the aroma of freshly baked bread and the intoxicating scent of wine fill the air. Welcome to the enchanted world of Italian villages, where culinary tradition merges with centuries of history to create an unparalleled gastronomic experience. In this article, we will guide you through 7 incredible food and wine tours that will help you discover authentic flavors and culinary secrets hidden in these gems of the Bel Paese. Hidden among the rolling hills of Piedmont, the village of Lamora is the gateway to Langhe, renowned for its prized truffles and legendary Barolo wine. Here, you can join a truffle hunt led by an expert truffolau and his loyal dog, followed by a wine tasting in a historic winery. Don't miss the opportunity to taste white truffle pasta, an experience that will take your breath away. In the heart of the Tuscan Valdorcia, Pienza welcomes you with its Renaissance charm and the irresistible aroma of pecorino cheese. Take a guided tour of local cheese factories where you can observe the production process of this PDO cheese and taste different ages. End the day with a visit to a Montalcino winery, where the robust Brunello will captivate you with its complexity. Grave, with its picturesque triangular square, is the ideal starting point to explore the Chianti region. Join a cooking class in an ancient villa where you will learn to prepare traditional Tuscan dishes like ribollita and wild boar stew. After testing your culinary skills, enjoy a Chianti Classico d'Osigi tasting in a centuries-old winery.